The small supine stander can be adjusted to as tall as 22 inches when the headrest extension piece is removed. The lateral headrest pads can be mounted on the back board, and the trunk and hip pads can be reoriented to lower positions. To bring the stander to your desired height from heel to head, start by removing the lower knee part with the L bracket to stay along with the board. Save the 4 screws and 8 washers in a safe spot. The calf pad and headrest extension piece can be stored away until the child grows taller and it's needed in the future. The screw receivers for the calf piece will remain in the spine of the frame and can be pushed upwards to avoid any resistance while resetting the foot platform. Loosen the screws on the foot platform from under and outside of the black bracket to push it gently upwards to the patient's desired height. Be sure to tighten all the screws again in order to secure all the parts. The tray bracket is mounted at the rear with 4 screws that can be loosened to raise it up or bring it down as needed. Remember, the bracket can be flipped upside down as well if necessary. There is a plastic cover at the end of the tray guide, which can be cut and removed for ease in sliding the tube through the tray mounting bracket. The tray is angle adjustable as needed. Stanzme also offers a separate harness with a custom chin pad that allows children with poor head control to hold their head up. If needed, please inquire for pricing. For much larger clients, Stanzme provides an electric actuator to replace the manual actuator, so the stander can easily transition its position. Please see a separate video and price information in the order form.